Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you how to reset everything to factory settings. Now you can do it here through this menu. This should apply to all the settings on the vehicle, or you can do it also through this main screen as well. I will show you both ways because I'm not 100% sure if these both options refer to the same thing or not. So I will show you both resets. This video should apply to third generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so to do the factory reset, you'll be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel. So left button, right button, OK button, and you can scroll through the options with the OK button as well. So I will squeeze my phone inside here so you can see it better. So keep pressing the right button until you reach settings. Now press OK. And now you want to scroll down to the second page, all the way down to factory reset. Press OK, and if you select yes, that will do it. Now in my case, I will not do it because I have lots of stored information in the vehicle, my phone connected, and radio station set up and things like that. So I don't want to mess everything up. But this is how you do it. And now I will show you how to do it through the main screen as well. Okay, on the main screen you want to press the settings button in the bottom right corner, then you want to go right to the second part of this main menu and you want to select others, and here return all settings to default. You can select this and you can do the reset. Now this part might refer only to these settings, to the radio and stations and connected to this screen. I'm not sure. So that's why I'm showing you both ways to do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.